Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file to text easily. In converting a PDF file into text, the best way to do it is by using a program called Light PDF. To use this app, simply go to its official page. Once on the page, look for the PDF to text conversion function and click it. This will lead you into another window where you can do the conversion. To upload a file, you can click Choose File, or drag the file directly into the box provided. The conversion will start right away. When the conversion is done, you can download the converted file into your computer by clicking the download icon provided. And that's how you can convert PDF to text easily using Light PDF. Thank you for watching.